Wow, you just decided not to opt for Addresponse Pro. We know you have your reasons, but frankly, it just doesn't make sense that you're ready to give up all that potential to explode your sales and leads just like that. Are you really that willing to give away more visitors, better buyer intent resulting in more sales and leads? Can you really afford to not use ad response with every single one of your Facebook fan pages and Instagram profiles? Not getting Ad Response Pro is like having your potential sales boost. Yikes! And you won't get the ready-made sales website that can land you high-paying clients. You don't think it's worth the money? Come on! Imagine what just 100 extra leads can do for your business. Or just one client who signs up to your service. It's worth much more than what you'll pay for the Pro upgrade here. Don't forget, you also get to add unlimited Facebook pages and Instagram profiles. You could be billing customers thousands of dollars a year. Think about it. Isn't your business growth important enough? Would you rather be struggling with rising ad costs and paying to have your traffic hijacked by others instead of spending your funds on strategies that are proven and tested to bring results? Because if you'd rather burn your money on helping trolls and scammers, you're not growing your business. You're hurting it. Don't be your business's worst enemy yourself. If you miss out on Pro, you'll also miss out on 2 years of upgrades. That's worth hundreds of dollars. Facebook and Instagram are always changing, and we keep improving things constantly to stay abreast. If you don't get Pro now, you won't get any more upgrades after 12 months. That's a costly mistake. Without the Pro upgrade, you'll be paying afresh for this software again when a new upgrade is released next year. Listen, we know you're worried about your money, but if you don't check out Pro, you'll never discover what you're missing, and we really want you to do that. We want you to see Ad Response Pro in action. We know you'll love it. In fact, we are so confident that we are prepared to put our money on the line. Yeah, don't pay us to try. We will pay you. How does that sound? Incredible? Well, it's real. Here's what we're going to offer you. Get Ad Response Pro Trial for 14 days for only $1. Yes, $1. Use it for 14 days. Do your analysis, publish those posts, get more traffic, make those sales. In fact, even do optimizations for multiple clients. And if at the end of 14 days you find you are ready to let go, ready to cancel your access, let us know what was missing and we will return $5 to you. Yeah, we'll pay you $5 if you decide not to move forward with upgrading to Ad Response Pro. You won't be charged a penny more before the end of the 14-day period. So listen, if you pass on this offer, your competitors won't. And if they get to exploit what Ad Response Pro can do for them, consider your customers stolen. Go on, claim your Ad Response Pro trial for $1. And yes, if you don't like it, tell us anytime before the end of the 14-day period and we will give you $5 back.